Long before headlines reduced the story to a single tragic moment, there was a quieter chapter unfolding behind closed doors. Nearly 2 years before the death of his daughter Victoria, actor Tommy Lee Jones reportedly took a legal step that many parents fear even considering. Not for control, not for publicity, but for protection. Court records indicate that Jones sought temporary conservatorship when Victoria was in her early 30s, a move often reserved for moments when love collides with limits. The filing didn't reveal private medical details, and the documents themselves remained sealed, as is typical in cases involving mental health and personal care. What it does show, however, is intent. A parent recognizing that concern alone may not be enough. Conservatorship, especially for adults, lives in a gray space. It's not a punishment. It's not a verdict. It's often a last-line safety measure when emotional bonds are stretched by illness, addiction, or instability. For families navigating these realities, the process can feel both necessary and heartbreaking. The arrangement was temporary, short-term, later lifted at the family's request. On paper it reads procedural. In real life it reflects something heavier: the fragile balance between respecting autonomy and preventing irreversible harm. Victoria's passing has since reopened difficult conversations about how society supports adults in crisis, and how parents, no matter their fame, are left making impossible choices with limited tools. Wealth doesn't shield families from fear. Recognition doesn't replace resources. And love doesn't always guarantee outcomes. This story isn't about blame or speculation. It's about boundaries, about how care can take legal form when emotional access fails, and about the silent weight parents carry when helping means stepping back just enough to protect. When an adult child is struggling, where should the line between independence and intervention truly be drawn?